Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fix any problem you might be having with your Shopify store speed and how to increase it. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify.com website right here if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where you want to go ahead and log into your account where your Shopify store is. So after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this home screen right here where you can get started with adding products. At the left side of the screen, we can find all the sections we can access, such as home, products, customers, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can fix any problem we might be having with our speed. So guys, as you can see right here on the official Help Shopify page, somebody already talked about improving your online store performance. Basically guys, what we want to do is to go ahead and start using an additional theme. So as you can see, use an up-to-date optimized online store 2.0 theme. And all the themes for 2.0 are free and optimized for web performance that are already by Shopify. So you can click on here to go ahead and open up themes that you can use by Shopify that have been created. So here you can find all the themes. Basically, you want to go to your main page right here and click online store. So here, after clicking online store at the left side screen, this is going to open up the themes section where you can find all the themes that you can use. So as you can see here, you can find popular free themes and so on that you can get started using for Shopify 2.0. So here you can get started with editing them. So you just want to choose a theme that is the fastest so that it can handle your store the best. Here you can go ahead and edit your options. You can choose how it looks and so on, but that is the main point of the theme, to run fast. So you want to make sure you're using a Shopify made theme. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.